guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look right here, and I absolutely love how it turned out. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing, I'm just priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set it in place with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using my Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette, and I'm going first into this light pink salmon shade, and I'm just buffing this into my crease in left and right motions and focusing this right in the center of my crease. Next, I'm going into my angled brush and I'm going into this darker magenta red shade, and I'm just going to be applying this line of definition into my crease, and I'm focusing this right in the middle from my lash line to my brow bone. So just kind of place this right in the middle. I had to give myself a little bit more lid space, and I absolutely love doing this because it really helps that lid shade show. Next, I'm going into my small tapered brush and I'm going into this orange shade, and I'm going to be buffing out that red line with this orange shade first, and we are going to be building some depth in our crease. So I'm just slowly building depth, and this is going to help us build a gradient. And then I'm going back into my angled brush and that red shade once again, and we're just redrawing that line and bringing it back. And this is my favorite way to slowly build depth. Then I'm going back into my small tapered brush and I'm going back into that orange shade and mix it with a little bit of that red shade. And as you guys can see, we already have a lot more of a gradient going on, and we're just going to be building over top of this. This is kind of like our first layer of shadow. And then I'm going into my angled brush, and you can honestly pick up any black eyeshadow in your collection. I just used the black one for my Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm just applying this exactly where we applied that red shade, and we're going to be blending this black into that red. So I just got a little bit of that black shade and I mixed it with a little bit of a purple shade, and I'm just going in left to right motions over top of that black line to diffuse it. And I'm really going over it really softly. And then I went back into my small tapered brush and I went back into that red shade just to kind of mix all those shades together. And then I'm going into my angled brush and my concealer, and I'm just carving my lid. Next, I'm going into my Colourpop Jelly Much shadow, and I'll leave the name to this shadow and all the other products that I've used in this video in the description box down below. I'm just patting this shade all over my lid. This is with no Fix Plus, no eyeshadow primer, nothing. It's absolutely stunning. Like I've said in previous videos, highly recommend the Colourpop Jelly Much shadows. And then I just picked up my small tapered brush with my black eyeshadow. And then I'm going into this purple shade with my small tapered brush. And we're just using that to blend that black into that shimmery lid shade. And then I'm just going to be peeling off my tape. For lashes today, I'm using my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. The link to check out our lash company will always be in the description box down below. And then I'm going into my Urban Decay Double Life liner for my waterline. And I absolutely love applying this shade in my waterline. And then I went into that orange shade in the Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette. And I'm just applying this all over my lower lash line. And then I decided to go into an angled brush and the purple shade in that same palette. And I'm just applying this as close to my lower lashes as possible, only on that outer corner. And then going back into the smudger brush, mixing those two shades together. For mascara, I went into my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm using my Pixie Beauty Subtle Sunrise Highlight. And this is the finished look right here. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back. The memory of you just come running back.